Life on Mars would mean living in pressurized habitats, like a space station on the surface. Farming, possible, but only inside controlled greenhouses since the soil is toxic. Water, extracted from underground ice. First problem, oxygen. Mars's atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide. Without a spacesuit, you'd suffocate in seconds. Scientists plan to use machines like MOXIE to extract oxygen from the air. But for now, living on Mars means staying inside a sealed habitat. Think Antarctica is cold? Mars gets as low as -200 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Plus, massive dust storms can last for weeks, blocking sunlight and potentially cutting off solar power. Mars is lonely. A one-way trip takes 6 to 9 months, and messages take 5 to 20 minutes to reach Earth. With no quick return, astronauts will need strong mental endurance to survive isolation. Gravity on Mars is only 38% of Earth's, meaning you'd feel lighter and could jump nearly 3 times higher. But there's a downside. Long-term exposure to low gravity can weaken muscles and bones. Could we make Mars more Earth-like? Some scientists propose melting polar ice caps or even using giant space mirrors to warm the planet. But full terraformation? That could take hundreds, if not thousands of years. Billions of years ago, Mars had lakes, rivers, and possibly an ocean. But as its atmosphere thinned, the water evaporated into space. Today, only frozen ice remains under the surface. Meet Olympus Mons, Mars' supervolcano. Standing at 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers high, it's nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. If you climbed it, you wouldn't even notice the slope, since it's so wide. Unlike Earth's big moon, Mars has 2 tiny potato-shaped moons, Phobos and Deimos. Scientists think they might be captured asteroids. One day, Phobos could crash into Mars or break apart into a ring. On Earth, sunsets are red, but on Mars, they're blue. That's because fine dust in the thin atmosphere scatters sunlight differently, creating a surreal, alien glow at dusk. NASA's Curiosity. Mars rover recorded this sequence of views of the sun setting at the close of the mission's 956th Martian day, or SOL, April 15, 2015, from the rover's location in Gale Crater. Dust in the Martian atmosphere has fine particles that permit blue light to penetrate the atmosphere more efficiently than longer wavelength colors. That causes the blue colors in the mixed light coming from the sun to stay closer to sun's part of the sky, compared to the wider scattering of yellow and red colors. The effect is most pronounced near sunset, when light from the sun passes through a longer path in the atmosphere than it does at midday. So, could you survive on Mars? Maybe. But for now, the Red Planet remains a dream for the future. Would you take a one-way ticket? Let us know in the comments.